More news coming in. Let's go straight to these developments from the Delhi Assembly session. Now, fiery Delhi Assembly session expected today. First Delhi Assembly session after the arrest of the Delhi Chief Minister. Expect pandemonium over Chief Minister's arrest. Set for Aam Aadmi Party and BJP face-off on the floor of the Assembly. BJP to protest jail se sarkar model. AAP to flaunt governance push from model. That is what is expected today. Srishti Ojha getting us more details on that story. Expecting a pandemonium over Arvind Kejriwal's arrest in the Assembly. But talk to us a little about what has happened in court as well. What has the High Court said about the stir organized by the Aam Aadmi Party Legal Council or Legal Body Association? Srishti.
Well, yes, Neha, as we know, the Aam Aadmi Party legal cell had released a call for a lawyer's protest against the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal by the Enforcement Directorate. A lawyer had then approached the Delhi High Court seeking action and seeking a stay on any such protests, saying that such protests cannot be organized inside court premises. There are set Supreme Court judgments, precedents, which clearly say that such protests cannot be organized inside court or even near the court premises. The case was mentioned today before the acting Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court, who has warned the Aam Aadmi Party legal cell of consequences if the court work is stopped due to any such protest that they're planning to organize. The court has refused to grant any stay on the protest today. The court has decided to hear the matter tomorrow, the letter petition which has been filed by the lawyer, while also clarifying that right to protest or right to approach court in this case is a fundamental right which cannot be taken away by the court. If they want to protest, they are free to do that. However, common people should not be stopped. The court work should not be stopped. And if the protests take place, it will be at their own peril. The Aam Aadmi Party legal cell will have to do that at their own peril. However, if the protest is conducted inside the court premises or near the court premises in a way that it affects the work, then there will be serious consequences and the court may also take action. So it will be important to see now whether the Aam Aadmi Party legal cell will go ahead with the protest today, how many lawyers would be joining in, and what's also important here is that the Bar Council of India, which is also an important body of lawyers and the legal fraternity, has also opposed any such protests which are being conducted today. The Bar Council of India in its press release has clearly stated that they have said that the lawyers should not join in such a protest call, considering, first of all, there's a political angle to it because the person arrested is leader of a political party and a chief minister. Also, they've clearly the Bar Council of India in its press statement has also clearly stated that such protests are not meant for lawyers. Lawyers should not be part of such a political situation and should not participate in these protests. Also stating that the court has in itself also validated Arvind Kejriwal's arrest and remand in a way, because remember it was the court, it was Delhi's Rouse Avenue court which had sent Arvind Kejriwal to Enforcement Directorate's custody. So the court has in a way validated his arrest, which is why the protest should not be conducted and lawyers should not participate, as what the Bar Council of India has also said. So it'll be important to see if the legal cell still goes ahead with the protest today. How many
बाहर निकलने से रोका जा रहा है, प्रोटेस्ट के अंदर पुलिस बर्बरता कर रही है, यहाँ तक कि जर्नलिस्ट के ऊपर भी पुलिस हाथ उठा रही है। एक जर्नलिस्ट का हाथ फ्रैक्चर हो गया, एक जर्नलिस्ट के गले पे हाथ आपने देखा वरिष्ठ पुलिस ऑफिसर ने डाला। ये सब लोग तानाशाही की जो पराकाष्ठा है उसको पार कर रहे हैं। देखिए, लगातार आम आदमी पार्टी पे दबाव बनाने की कोशिश है कि मुख्यमंत्री गिरफ्तार, उप मुख्यमंत्री गिरफ्तार, मंत्री गिरफ्तार, संजय सिंह गिरफ्तार। अब किसी तरीके से आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार को गिराने की कोशिश चल रही है, विधायकों पे प्रेशर डालने की कोशिश चल रही है। मगर ये आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक हैं, ये डरेंगे नहीं, झुकेंगे नहीं, रुकेंगे नहीं। और आप देखोगे आने वाले दिनों में पूरा भारत अरविंद केजरीवाल की गिरफ्तारी के खिलाफ खड़ा होगा। चलिए सर
All right, so these are pictures, in fact, coming in. And we'll go across to those pictures in a moment from now. These are the pictures on your screen from the Delhi Assembly where a dharna is on. Remember, it's the first day of the session, first session being held after the arrest of the Chief Minister. So expect pandemonium in the House. On your screens are pictures from the Assembly and also previously when Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on the 22nd day of March before he was produced in court. AAP is, of course, going to talk about the fact that Arvind Kejriwal continues to work from the jail. BJP is going to say this is unconstitutional. Expecting Shrishti a great deal of pandemonium in the Assembly as well today. Shrishti, expect a great deal of pandemonium at the Delhi Assembly today, even as that matter plays out in court.
सभी विधायक संघर्ष कर रहे हैं, प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। आज इस देश में लोकतंत्र को खत्म करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। आज इस देश में एक एक करके सभी विपक्षी पार्टियों के नेताओं को जेल में डाला जा रहा है, बैंक अकाउंट सील करे जा रहे हैं, पार्टी ऑफिस सील करे जा रहे हैं। इस देश के इतिहास में पहली बार हुआ है कि एक सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है, वो भी नेशनल इलेक्शंस की घोषणा के बाद। ये इस देश के इतिहास में पहली बार हुआ है कि एक राष्ट्रीय पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है, वो भी चुनाव की घोषणा के बाद। तो आज ये बिल्कुल साफ है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल की गिरफ्तारी इस देश के लोकतंत्र पर हमला है।
All right, we'll go back to, in fact, Shrishti Ojha, who continues to be with us. Shrishti, as far as the Assembly is concerned, expecting pandemonium in the House, even as that matter continues to play out in the court as well, with the High Court coming down heavily on the legal side of the arm.
इधर आइए अजय सर, इधर आइए अजय सर।
Well, yes, some crucial developments that we are expecting from the courts today, specifically the Delhi High Court, where Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has moved, challenging both his arrest by the ED and also the subsequent remand. So not only has he challenged the arrest by Enforcement Directorate, he's also challenged the court's order, which based on that arrest by ED decided to send him to 6 days custody of the Enforcement Directorate. Now, today the Enforcement Directorate sought some time from the High Court to reply to Arvind Kejriwal's plea, saying that they were not served with a copy of his petition. They were served with a copy very late last night, and hence they will need some time to reply to his plea. However, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers have called it delaying tactics on part of the Enforcement Directorate. According to senior advocate A.M. Singhvi, who was appearing for Arvind Kejriwal today before the High Court, no need of reply. There's absolutely no need for the Enforcement Directorate to reply to Arvind Kejriwal's plea, because in his case, he's challenged the basic fundamental grounds of his arrest, the basis of the basic fundamental of his arrest, and the remand order has been challenged. So the court has to decide on whether the arrest was legal, and in this situation, there's absolutely no need for ED to file the reply or for court to rely on ED's reply. So Mr. Singhvi has pressed for a hearing today. He told High Court, the High Court was initially inclined to give Enforcement Directorate more time to reply to Mr. Kejriwal's petition. However, Mr. Singhvi pressed for a hearing today, and the court will in some time hear what Mr. Singhvi has to say on behalf of Arvind Kejriwal. What we have, however, exclusively learned are the details of the petition that has been filed by Arvind Kejriwal, where he has sought immediate.
दिल्ली और पूरे देश में जो तानाशाही भारतीय जनता पार्टी लाई है कि चुनाव के दौरान अलग अलग पार्टियों पर छापे मारे जा रहे हैं, लोगों को अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है।
मुख्य पुतला आ गया यहाँ पर, ये देखिए पुतला लेकर आ गए हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक। ये पुतला यहाँ पर लेकर पहुंचे, ये क्या पुतला है? ये क्या
पुतला है? तानाशाही का पुतला, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का पुतला। और इस पुतले को हम जला के आज पूरे देश में मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, गुंडागर्दी नहीं चलेगी, ईडी शाही नहीं चलेगी।
जाहिर है, तो आपने सुना सौरभ भारद्वाज को, वो लगातार यहाँ ये पुतला लेकर पहुंचे हुए हैं। गिरफ्तारी जिस तरह से अरविंद केजरीवाल की हुई है उसे असंवैधानिक बताते हुए अब यहाँ पे पुतला दहन किया जा रही है। देखिए आग लगाई जा रही है, यहाँ पे तमाम जो विधायक है वो मार्च करते हुए बाहर निकले और अब आग लगा दी गई है। पुतला दहन किया जा रहा है दिल्ली विधानसभा के सामने। इस वक्त आप तस्वीरों में देखें तो आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक पहले समर्थन में उतरे, फिर विरोध के स्वर में नारे लगाए और अब विधानसभा के बाहर पुतला दहन किया जा रहा है। आम आदमी पार्टी लगातार आक्रामक है भारतीय जनता पार्टी और जांच एजेंसियों के खिलाफ, और अब ये तस्वीरों में नजर आने लगता है क्योंकि पिछले एक हफ्ते से लगातार आम आदमी पार्टी चाहे सड़कों पे प्रदर्शन करना हो, चाहे पीएम आवास का घेराव करना हो, वो नारेबाजी करते हुए हिरासत में जा रही है और प्रदर्शन कर रही है। अब तस्वीर देखिए, यहाँ पे पुतला दहन कर दिया गया है। आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक नारेबाजी करते हुए इस वक्त दिल्ली विधानसभा से बाहर निकले। आज विधानसभा का सत्र बुलाया गया और ये देखिए, ये पुतला दहन कर दिया गया है। ये देखिए, यहाँ पे पुतला दहन कर दिया गया है। आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से सौरभ भारद्वाज कह रहे हैं कि सौरभ, क्या ये पुतला दहन किया आपने, बताइए।
हो बर्बाद, ये तानाशाही का पुतला है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की गुंडागर्दी का पुतला है। जिस तरीके से चुनावों के दौरान चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्रियों को जेल में डाला जा रहा है, हमारे हर नेता के ऊपर छापे मारे जा रहे हैं, पार्टियों को तोड़ने की कोशिश की जा रही है। आज तानाशाही का पुतला दिल्ली विधानसभा के बाहर हमारे विधायकों ने बजाया।
चलिए यहाँ पे ये देखिए यहाँ पे आप समर्थक जूते मार रहे हैं पुतला को और आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है कि ये तानाशाही का पुतला है जिसे जलाया गया है। एक्शन में तमाम आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक इस वक्त यहाँ पे नजर आ रहे हैं। लगातार कोशिश है कि केंद्र सरकार की एजेंसियों का विरोध किया जाए। नेहा,
pictures, in fact, on your screen are from the protests that are going on at Delhi Assembly right now. It is a session without the Chief Minister. In the first session, after Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, BJP is, in fact, also protesting and asking the Chief Minister to resign. AAP says that, look at the Chief Minister is even working from jail, even is in fact running the government from jail, is what the AAP essentially is saying. These are pictures coming in from Delhi Assembly, expecting more pandemonium in the House as it convenes today. First, in fact, pictures coming in from the Delhi Assembly right now of Aam Aadmi Party leaders also on Dharna. The BJP demands the resignation of the Chief Minister. The Aam Aadmi Party says the Chief Minister is even working from jail. Remember, 2 orders at least have been passed by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from jail. He continues to be in the ED lockup. AAP has said that he will be running the government from jail. BJP says it is unconstitutional and that he must resign. Well, the developments in court today as well, with the High Court coming down heavily on the legal cell of the AAP for organizing a stir. Today is the first Delhi Assembly session after Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, expecting further pandemonium inside the House over the Chief Minister's arrest. Set for an AAP BJP face-off on the floor of the Assembly. BJP to protest jail se sarkar model, AAP to flaunt governance push from jail.